Stretched it out a bit because usually when I wash my hair, it just...
This is the strength of a woman. Ain't nobody better than the boss chick.
Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are here for the first time, then welcome. Today's video is all about our natural hair. We are going to be doing a hair mask in hopes of hydrating our hair and defining those curls and just reminding our hair of how much we love and appreciate it. Aww. Now the products we are going to be using to complete this mask is our Aztec Healing Clay Mask. This has 100% bentonite clay and I bought it on Amazon. And our next ingredient is our Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and that is with the mother. Now I have my mixing bowl with about 5 tablespoons of the Aztec Healing Clay, and I also just eyeballed how much apple cider vinegar I thought I would need to achieve the consistency that I desired. Now I'm just parting my hair into 4 sections. I started applying the mask to the back sections of my hair first. But then when I started applying it, I realized it was very drying, so I thought I would add some oil to it. So I added some Jamaican castor oil, and that really helped improve the texture of the mask. This is actually a very messy mask to do. It's getting everywhere. Not on my shirt. Luckily I'm wearing a towel, but still very messy. And it dries very quickly. That's why I had to add some oil to it, because my hair just felt too crunchy. I always try to put extra of whatever product I'm using on the tips of my hair, because that's the oldest part of your hair. You have to show the oldest part of your hair some extra love, you know? It's like the senior citizens of your hair. They need some extra attention. So always show some extra love to the tips. So now my hair is fully coated with the bentonite clay. So I'm just gonna let the mask sit and marinate for a good 30 minutes and then I'll come back to wash it out. So this is my hair out of the shower. I've washed out all the Aztec bentonite clay out of my hair, and I think it's safe to say it did something. It definitely did something. It's the shine for me. It's the curl pattern for me. It's the bounce for me. This, I like it. I might have to do this again. I really like the results. This is not even with any product. My hair is still wet, actually. That's why I have a towel on, and it's just giving. It's giving so much. Like, this is how it always turn out, then ooh, thank you hair, who knew? So yeah, these are my results from the bentonite clay. I love it, and I think everyone should give it a try. Hopefully your natural hair will love it as much as mine did. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that full well. Psalm 139:14.